Okay, class, today we're going to learn about how we need to speak in the classroom. And I'm going to share a screen with you guys. Hold up. Okay. So our voices level, and we're going to talk about how these voices, how our voice should sound at the different levels, and what does that look like so that we understand how we should be talking in the classroom. So when Mrs. Hughes holds up her hand and says voice at a level 4, this is one of the times that I'll never ever do that again, because if your voice is at a level 4, you need to take that outdoors, because you're going to be yelling at your friend on the playground. You're going to be, hollering to get somebody's attention. And so you really shouldn't be using a voice level 4 in the classroom. If you're at a 4, you need to take it outdoors, or you need to take it down a few levels. So when I'm holding up a level 3 though, so when I say your voice should be at a level 3, that means that you're using your presenter voice. You're going to speak loud enough so that everybody around you can hear you. So when are times that you think that you're going to need to be using your presenter voice? Call on a student. Yes, so if you were answering a question and you needed the whole class to hear, that is a great time. If you're reading your work in front of the class, that's another time that you want to use that presenter voice so that everybody around you can hear you. Okay, so when Mrs. Hughes holds up a 2 and your voice level is at a 2, that's going to be table talk. And when you're at a voice level 2, you can hear you and the people across from you can hear you. So you and your partner can hear the people across from you, and that's it. If you're at a table talk voice, you should not be able to hear somebody talking. Group 1 should not be able to hear somebody talking all the way at group 3. You're going to talk in a softer voice, and just so that the people at your table can hear you. And so then we're going to go to voice level number 1. And so when I hold up my finger on a level 1, you're only talking to the person next to you. You're going to whisper. You're going to talk quietly so that you're not disturbing anybody around you. So if you're at a 1, you're whispering quietly to your neighbor only. So times that you're going to use that is when we're talking to our elbow partners. You're going to whisper and talk about things, and that's when you're going to use a level 1. And when I say that voices are at a level 0, that means that our voices are off. We're going to catch a bubble, we're going to zip our lips, and we are going to be quiet, and we are not going to hear any sounds. So I want you guys to show me what this sounds like, except for 4, because we never use 4 in the classroom, only outside. That's right. Okay, so can somebody show me what a number 3 voice sounds like? Okay. Yes, when you're talking at a 3, you're loud enough so that everybody can hear you. That is correct. And so, other student, Sally, can you show me what voice level 2 sounds like? Okay, yep, that's right. When you're at a level 2, you're only talking so that your table group can hear you. So the people right next to you, that's right. Number 1, who can show me number 1? Okay. That's right. When we're talking in 1, we're whispering quietly, and that's how we should talk. You're absolutely right. Thank you for that. And we're all going to practice right now. Everybody, I want everybody to talk in a whisper voice, and you're whispering to your neighbor, and you're telling your neighbor that what you're going to have for lunch today. And then I'm going to say voice level 0, and everybody is going to go, okay, so let's practice partner talk. So everybody's at a level 1. And Class, would you please go to a voice level 0? That is great. Thank you, guys.